Hello everybody, Artistic Flair here, back with a drawing tutorial video. Today I'm giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a Cupid girl. Let's begin. We're going to start this drawing out by making a circle. This will be for her head. Now the cross inside the circle, so we know where to put the eyes and the mouth because there aren't any noses for Chibi characters. The neck, and now the body. Now these are just guidelines. Then later on I'll be drawing the main features. You could change the outfit, the hair, the eyes, if you guys would like. Now I want her to be holding a bow and launching an arrow. Now I'm sketching in her leg and the other leg. What I'm doing here is making a little halo. I'll add in some wings, so maybe they're kind of like a book bag kind of thing. They're gonna have like little straps, so it's like a Cupid costume. Here are the eyes. The smile. And a little line here in case you like a little like nose on the character. Again, you don't need a nose for Chibi characters. But if you're like me and need to add the nose feature, that little line right there will be for the nose. The hair, I want like a little braid thing going here. And I'm giving her a bun. Now I'm going to shape up her face, the ear, the halo. Now I'm fixing the outfit. I think I'm going to put like a little heart on the top of her dress. I want her dress to almost look like a cloud. And the little straps, like I said, for the wings. And here, the dress will go down. Gonna give it some, I think, more of that little cloud fluffiness. And maybe something around the arms, maybe some fluffies, I don't know yet. Her shoes, I'm gonna give them like a little wings on top. And that's pretty much it to drawing a Cupid Chibi girl. And from this point on, I'm just gonna be inking and coloring the image. And I'll talk to you guys at the end. Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, like tutorials like this, be sure to give this video a like. It lets me know you like content like this. In the comment section, let me know. Did you make your own Chibi Cupid girl? Consider subscribing over to my channel if you haven't already to get notified on any new content. As always, stay creative. Bye!